Hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. Don't worry, I'm here. My name is Abokones, the founder of Everyday Guitars and CloudHost Ghana. Now let us continue with the tutorials. In our last video, I made mention of using a code to change this one. Why is it important for us to use CSS to change the color? Because I don't like this blue color and there is nothing we can do about it. Okay, yes, the reason is simple. This is a free theme that we are using, and by default this is the color. Okay, in fact I went through all the steps trying to change it under the customize, but it didn't work. We can even check. So for instance, let's go here. Okay, so you can even go through everything. So let's go to layout here, or let's go to typography. Let me see. Okay, so we have primary menu. Now it's typography. Okay, let's see if we can change things here. Okay, so primary menu, the color, menu color is black. Let's see. I can use, let me see if it's going to work. Okay, just changed. Okay, good. Then we are not going to use the code. Okay, so we are done with the primary menu. I want to see if I can change this one to a different color. Okay, so let's go down here. Let's go to, no, it's not the body. Okay, so we're supposed to get it here. Okay, so apart from that, let's go down, let's go back, then let's go to colors. So this is what I'm going to do. I will change this color. So by changing this color, automatically this one will change. Okay, so let me click here and let's go for our red color. See, okay, so I'll use the color picker to pick this lady's red color. Okay, so this one is a new color picker. Okay, so don't worry, just go with the one I taught you earlier. So this one is a different one that I'm using. Okay, so just come back here and we are going to paste this. Why? Okay. Oh, come on, let me, okay. My browser was not working, I don't know. Okay, so let me paste that. Okay, so, and I think I don't like, let me move to make it. Okay, so let me look at the color here. Okay, so this color is white, so let me maintain the white color. I can make it white. Okay, good, and we are good to go. We can even change this one to yes, the color that we want to use, but let's leave it for now. Okay, so I can publish that and we have the color has changed. Initially I thought I'm going to use a code, but now it's okay. There's no need for me to show you the code. Okay, so we have solved this problem. I don't know, but it's not easy, but by the way, all the same, we have solved that. So I don't have to, since we still have more time, let's say let's change things back to as it was. Okay, or let's say should I go through that? Okay, so no menu. Okay, so let's see, typography. I think I saw something like typography. Let me go back here. Okay, there's a typography menu, and over here, okay, there's a color white. Let's change it back to its original color. Okay, good. And then let's go down here and then what again, and colors. Let's change what else. Let's change this one to back to its original color. Okay, let me save that. In case for some reason maybe you don't want to use that, let me show you where to get the code. Come back here, enter CloudHost. I'll see if you want to visit the site, then you blink slash, so cloudhost.com/code and click enter. Okay, So it will take you here. Just come here, download this one. Okay, you can even see I think you can see it here. Yes. Oh, I think I can download it. I can just copy that, you see. Okay, so just, if it has opened like this, just copy the code like this, right click and copy that. Now let's come back here. I want to show you so that you know how to customize your theme. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'll go down here. We have additional CSS. Click that. Let's close that. Come here and paste that. You see it has changed to white, and you can just close that. Okay, just that, and we are done. Okay, so that's what I did when I was designing the site. But okay, but we have solved that. So you can just go with this method or just use the customizer to do that. Okay, so thank you for watching. We will continue in our next tutorials.